alaga na mga bago ngayon, poodle. Yan. Po sila ngayon dahil yung apat, paalaga lang po yan. Lucky! Ali! Aubrey! This is Ali and Aubrey. Do you want to get inside? Ayun na si Soccer. Oh, ang medyo maingay. Si Captain. Captain! This is Lucky and Curly. And Soccer. Soccer. Kaya lang po, pag tumatay yung mga yan, ayun, hindi mo alam kung anong uunahin mo kung minsan nililigiran nila. Are my oldest. Kuko. More than 1 decade. 13 to 15 years, Kuko. Kuko. Ay, hindi naman si Kuko. And these are the two. Hi, Hazley. Hazley. Come. Hazley. Hazley. Oh, aba. Bakit ganyan? Malty. Malty. Are you sleepy? Ito si malambing na Malty. Okay. Just rest. And this one is Fluffy. Hello, the happy face. Fluffy. The cleanest and the happy face. Fluffy girl. Matanda namin ito. Maliit lang po yan. Sobrang isang dangkal ko lang siya. Yan. Si Lola Mimi. Matanda na po siya, guys. Mimi! Tulog na lang siya ng tulog ngayon. Hello, Malty girl. Hello, Malty. Bagong Roomba. Malty. Malty. Matay. Matay. Ay. Malty, bagong paparlor. Bagong paparlor, Malty tuloy. Fluffy. 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 Hazley, Hazley, you're beautiful, so cute, adorable. Hazley, Hazley, Hazley. Kapagwapa na. Tema, hindi ka pa kanina. Galagyo ka pa, no?